Hey guys, Jules here from Sprint Booster. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2019 Chevy Silverado Z71. What is a Sprint Booster? Well, it's the premier throttle body controller on the market for modern electronic throttle bodies. With over 36 different levels of adjustment from low to high, it also has valet mode, pedal lock mode, and it's completely removable. With the most applications of any unit on the market by far, you'll find it most useful with trucks or vehicles such as this. Big truck, big power, big torque. And now, let's see just how easy it is to install the Sprint Booster into the Silverado. Open the vehicle to the car door and leave it open for about 10 minutes. The reason for this is the vehicle needs to check the electronic system through the CAN bus system. This allows the vehicle to accept the Sprint Booster successfully. Locate the harness connector on the accelerator pedal. Now, connect the Sprint Booster to the pedal. So guys, we're going to take this thing for a quick spin, explore some of the selections, some of the different modes. So initial impressions without the Sprint Booster turned on, this thing's riding on lifted suspension with 22-inch wheels. This is a big truck and it's got some big things going on. So it's having a lot of trouble getting rolling from starts. It's fairly sluggish for what this suspension, this whole setup is demanding. It's a big motor in this thing. This is a Chevy V8. So this thing is no joke, but it could definitely use a little bit of oomph on the lower end of it to kind of get things moving. So let's see how the Sprint Booster comes in. Number 5 setting on sport mode is definitely a nice little bump. I'm actually really feeling the truck is wanting to kind of get up and go a little bit more. I really don't have to mat the throttle. There's no waiting. It doesn't feel like I'm driving like a 1.5 liter Toyota engine anymore. It definitely feels like a Chevy V8, so this is very nice. We're here safely stopped at a stop sign. We have just switched to race mode, so let's see if she has a little bit more pickup. So guys, I just feathered the throttle in right there. This feels like a cable throttle. This feels like the way that this car wants to behave with the engine that this thing has got, with like the stance on the wheels, the tires, the whole attitude of this truck. This really wakes this up, and that is genuinely the first time I've ever driven this truck on the setting with this Sprint Booster, and I could say that I would definitely be sold on this vehicle using it like this compared to without the Sprint Booster, without any sort of modifications to it. This is definitely giving me the throttle response, the feedback, a lot of the attitude that I want to feel out of this truck. I'm getting it. So I'm very happy with this. This is a really nice experience right here.
Okay, well, first reaction as I've gotten back in the vehicle, super pleased with the responsiveness of the throttle. Prior to putting in the Sprint Booster, there was a lot of lag. I would say mainly, well, obviously because 35-inch off-road tires from the stock factory size is a huge jump. A lot to get this engine to get turning. So super responsiveness. Sorry, a lot of response. I'm a little excited because we've got a little more juice on my feet. So I'm overall really pleased. I'm loving the way the vehicle feels, and I think we're gonna have a lot of fun with this.
That was the install for the Sprint Booster on the 2019 Chevy Silverado Z71. Leave us a comment below. Let us know what vehicle you'd like to see next.